That's the wiring I was telling you about. It's everywhere. It's just a literally mess. Look at this. Look at this. That must be some speaker wires or something that was ran to the back. It's all spliced in. But guess what? I bought a brand new wire harness and it came in already. I don't know what this switch was to. That's crazy. But I plan on getting the carpet out of here today and start addressing some of these wiring issues. And look what else I found. This must have been his floor shifter. That's nice. I have never seen nothing like that in my life. Let's start taking this carpet out. No holes on the floor, a little bit of rust, nothing we can't clean up. But the change and junk, we gonna get this together. It was wet back there for some reason, but we'll figure that out. So see what we got on the other side. Same thing. Little rust I gotta clean up. Original floor pans. Might have to change that seal on that door. Well, let's go to the other side and see what we got. Whew. It's kind of hot out here in Detroit today. For real, for real. Feel like I'm losing weight. Some more wire junk. It's a little wet back here. The door seals need to be replaced. But we'll get them on order today. Socket, I bet it's like a 10 or something. No, it's a 13. And it's for free. You know I like free, right? Let me get in here and start cutting these wires out. I'll get back to YouTube. Might be a part 2 video. Man. I'm not going to use these tacks or none of this. I'm going with a Holley system. So if anybody need them in the Detroit area, just hit me up on YouTube or call my phone. Alright.